What up guys, Bengals008 here, and today I have an unrealistic rebuild with the Cincinnati Bengals. If you guys want more of this, like and subscribe. God bless, and please comment in my videos. Sorry if the comments always get turned off, I don't know why. But I'll skip to the part where I show you guys all of the league settings. Our league settings. Arcade for the funness of it. Salary cap is off. This is an unrealistic rebuild. And all that stuff. Thank you guys who comment in my videos. Whenever the comments are on, just look on my videos and but a few people usually comment in my videos and I appreciate it. But that's the settings for the stuff. Let's get all these trades set up, if you know what I mean. Okay. First of all, let's check out free agency. It's unrealistic rebuild. Salary cap's off. I can get anybody I want. And Logan Ryan wouldn't be terrible. We do need a tight end though, don't we? He's too older though, I guess. How old is he? He's 34. I'm not getting him. Logan Ryan? He's 29. You know what? Get Logan Ryan, because why not? Veteran. He's a star, so. Logan Ryan. No, we do not need Devonta Freeman. You know what? We can take Delaney Walker for now. There's honestly no reason not to, because the 83 and the Bengals need a tight end. There we go. We got our free agency out of the way. Actually, the Bengals need offensive line too. I'll get offensive lineman because why not? Okay. Okay. It's time for the trade block now. Okay. What team will trade for us? Wonder what teams would want to trade with us. We could potentially... Who could we get? We don't need a new quarterback because Burrow, he's still young. I'm Gronkowski. Ooh, actually. Why not try to trade for Gronk? Why not? It's an unrealistic rebuild. You want D-tackle? I'll give you Geno Atkins. You know, actually, I can give you a less better player, I guess. I can just give you DJ Reader. He's younger, too. If this actually works. It didn't work. That's just annoying. Guess we're gonna have to give him Geno. It's my second favorite defensive player of all time. They still declined? What is wrong with you guys? Dang. Yeah. I have no idea who we need to trade for. Ooh, Quentin Nelson. This dude is so easy to get. So all I have to do, I just have to give him a wide receiver, like a decent wide receiver, and that's trade automatically, basically. Look, Tyler Boyd. Just look at this trade. There you go. Look, they're going to accept. They declined, but look at that. Usually they would accept, but they're just weirdos. I'm just joking. I guess Mason Shrek. They still declined. I guess Ujama. Actually, sample. You can just give him sample. Sample. Ooh. Why not give him like a decent player? I guess he has any middle linebacker. A corner. Corner shouldn't hurt. Torrey McTyler, I guess. They were so close. I guess like a decent. I guess we can do like LeSean Sims or somebody. LeSean Sims. They still declined, but look at it. Look at this one. We're gonna do Mackenzie Alexander. Bro, imagine. They accepted! What a trade! I am down. Okay. We got Quentin Nelson now. I told you he was easy to get. Now, we could also... Okay. I think Zeke's kind of easy too. I know we have Mixon, but I just have to try it. For the memes. No, I'm not getting Zeke. It's honestly pointless. We could get Julio Jones. He's actually kind of easy to get, I won't lie. I think he's easy because he's 31, so he's a little older. So they need a left corner or left outside. That's something the Bengals do not have. Yep, we have Josh Bynes. He's a little older. I guess Logan, right? Actually, we could do... I guess Logan. I know we just got him, but... Look, it's Julio Jones. Oh, wow, that's actually pretty good. For Julio, that's pretty good. We'll go to draft picks. We'll give him, like... fourth. Why not? Decent little fourth rounder. Okay, that's green. The most, like, I'll check a third. I'll check a second. A second should be right off the rip. Nope. To put Josh Bynes in there. We've added Josh Bynes to the trade. We have to see. We can get Julio. Game changer. They declined it. Do we actually go first round? Dude, it's Julio Jones. Why wouldn't we? First rounder for Julio Jones. Julio. The load. The first rounder. They accepted. I mean, it was a good trade, though. Let's go. Julio Jones, welcome to the team. Okay. So now, I'll pause for the next. I know a pretty decent player we could most likely get. He plays for the Browns. It's not Myles Garrett. I wish. It's actually the cornerback, Denzel Ward. Do we give him middle linebacker? Jermaine Pratt? I don't think we trade for Denzel Ward. We could use a cornerback now, though. I won't lie. Xavier Howard could be good. the tank. I'll give him a young left tackle. If I have to. That's what it takes to get Xavier. Ooh, we might actually get him, but most likely not happening. Richard Sherman's a little older. I don't know what to do. We're most likely not getting a corner, but that's okay. It's not gonna ruin the video. Because I got a sponsor. I'm just checking. And also, guys, thanks for the support, though. I really appreciate it. Lamar, though. I'd love to have Lamar on the team, but we already have Burrow. We don't need Lamar. Can we get Deshaun? No, we're not gonna get him. It's someone we could potentially get. I think we should get at least one more player on the team. That could be good. Could we get Odell? We don't need Odell, actually. A tight end would work. If we can get a good tight end. What about defensive lines, actually? I know a perfect player. He goes by the name of JJ Watt. Dude, if we can get JJ, game over, bro. Like, get out of here, honestly, if we can get JJ. I'm not getting rid of AJ. John Ross. Nope. Okay. I have a great idea. Second rounder for JJ Watt. Easy second. We can give him... do we give him our 81 right tackle? Bro, that's actually not, terrible for a 98. Carl Lawson. I think he's really good, but... Bro, JJ. Don't do it to us, JJ. Come on, man. We can get JJ. It's over. Yeah, didn't work out the way we needed it to. Come on. We're not getting JJ. Could we potentially get, what's a good player we could get? I have an idea. Eric Kendricks. If we can get him, bro. Bro, I'm gonna be so happy. William Jackson. If we give him a second round, it's over. It is over. Come on. Be reasonable. Ooh, it's so close. We could potentially be getting Eric Kendricks. We need a cornerback. Out of free agency, we got Aqib Talib. And I will be honest, I actually did upgrade him a little, but this is an unrealistic rebuild. So bite me, I'm joking. Okay, we have to trade away Aqib Talib to get a decent player. Who wants Aqib Talib? Buffalo does. Could we get like Micah Hyde or somebody? If we can get him, that could be awesome. No. The Browns kind of want him. The Bucks do. Ooh, bro, if we can get Levante here, dude, this rebuild is like completely. Ooh, we're not gonna get Levante because I'm not spending hours and hours trying to get Levante David. The Chiefs could use a corner. Can I get Chris Jones? Would you guys mind? Like, can I just have Chris Jones on my team? Of course it didn't work. You guys are saying you want him. Let me have your defensive player. Please, I even have... I know his age. Look, I know he's older. Bite me. Grady Jarrett. You have to do what you have to do. And they won't accept either. You want him so bad, then accept. I can get Nick Bosa, though. Which is not going to work. I'm not even going to try. Richard Sherman. Ooh, Fred Warner. Arik Armstead. Can we get him? No one mind? That didn't even work. I don't know. Miles Jack? Actually, Josh Allen could be a beast. Imagine that. They don't even accept. Miles Jack, though. Come on. You know you guys want to. Bro, nobody wants to keep... Okay, the Panthers would like to have him, wouldn't they? Brian Burns. K1 Short. I'm sure we already have Gino. The Raiders. They don't really have anybody good on defense, do they? Nope. Ooh. The Rams. Dude, I'm trying it. I am trying it. Bro, come on, Aaron. It isn't even really fair how expensive he is, though. Okay. Bro, I could get... Not Ronald Darby. I could get Chase Young. Nope. Slap me right in the face. Dang. No, Seahawks are not going to accept. Tennessee, Viking. Oh, Eric Kendricks, I forgot about him, yeah. We were going to trade with him and we never did. Eric Kendricks. They're interested. They're like, okay, I see you. Give you guys my first, too. Come on. I can't. Literally cannot. Oh, I know somebody who's a monster on the Vikings. Who I would actually... Delaney Hunter. If I can get this, dude. Browns. Miles. Well, as you see, there's a Microsoft laptop through Zach Taylor. That's how stressed he is about these trades, and so am I. Okay, so I have an idea for Aqib Talib. I'll be honest. I made Aqib Talib younger. 25. Yep. I made him younger. This is how bad it is. If we can get, like, Khalil Mack or somebody like this. Bro. Game changer, bro. Okay. I don't need to trade with the Bills. The Broncos. Wait, could we actually get Von Miller here? We might get Von Miller. That's most likely a yes. We can actually most likely get Von Miller. I forgot how easy he was. We just got Von Miller. Let's go. Yep. Okay, we're gonna see if we can make the Super Bowl now. Okay. This is our team. We have Julio Jones. Let me change some of his abilities, though. Let's just give him a matchup. We'll give him red zone threat. We have AJ Green, too. Who, in my opinion, at one point was just one of the best. My favorite football player, so I have all the respect in the world for AJ Green. So we'll give him Slot-O-Matic also, because why not? We got Quentin Nelson. We got offensive lineman. And then we got the best trade of all time. Von Miller. Let's go. Okay. I have a few things to fix and we ready. Okay. I fixed to where Jesse Bates Superstar because actually in the real roster. This is the preseason apparently. Yeah. I'm going to skip a few. I'm going to skip to the regular season and then we'll get some upgrades and then we're going to skip to Super Bowl. We are back a few minutes later. Yeah, just a bit of upgrade. Okay, let's go. I'll take it. I'll be zone. He's 82. Okay. In real life, he's an 89 overall. William Jackson, T. Higgins, Mixon. I'll just auto upgrade everybody. And then we're gonna skip to the Super Bowl. Okay, week 1 we have Chargers. But yeah. Let's hope we get a dub at the Super Bowl. We have a good quarterback, good running backs. We're going to the playoffs. We're going to send to that playoffs. Bet. Okay. Did we make the playoffs? Let's see. We went 8-8. Was that enough to make the playoffs? We did not make the playoffs. That's sad. But what we are going to do is, we're going to see the stats, though, but I want to upgrade all these players. Okay. Well, we did not make the playoffs. That's the sad part. But, wait, can I see if he won MVP yet? Or do I have to wait for that? So, Burrow had 27 touchdown passes, 16 interceptions. I mean, the interceptions are bad, but the touchdown passes are pretty good. Rushing-wise, we had Joe Mixon, 896, a meh season. Giovanni, 400, 2 touchdowns. Burrow ran for 3. We had Ethan Carter. AJ Green ran for a touchdown. That's cool. Okay. Julio Jones, 1,000 yards. AJ Green, 700. Ross with 500. T. Higgins having a meh. I thought he'd do better. Let's check out that defense, though. So 2 picks for defense for at least Logan Wilson. Darius Phillips with 2. Trey Waynes with 1. Von Bell with 1. Sean Williams with 1. Jesse Bates with 3. Von Miller with a pick. He had only 3.5 sacks. Dunlap with 5. He didn't even play for the Bengals. This is like preseason rosters. I don't even know why. William Jackson with 2 picks. But yeah. Some cool stuff, eh? Let's see. The kicker made some field goals. Kick return. We had no kick return TDs. We had no punt return TDs. But yeah. If you guys want me to do another unrealistic rebuild, like and subscribe. God bless, and don't forget to keep God number 1. Before we end off the video, I want to check everybody. Defense. Okay, but if you guys enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. If you guys would want more of this, just tell me, and I will for sure do more of these. They're decently fun to do. If you guys like this, please like and subscribe. God bless, and don't forget to keep God first. See you guys, and thank you for the support. See you guys, and I'm out.